Some ways of investing are wealth traps, others are proven paths to millions, and only a rare few are how billionaires scale money at a global scale. So, let's break it down from the absolute worst to the very best ways to invest your hard-earned cash. Speculation attracts beginners who want quick wins and don't want to wait years for compounding to work. It looks smart with all of those charts and brokers, but underneath it is basically gambling. People fall into this tier because they want money fast, but fast money almost always leaves even faster. So here's the simplest way to see it. Okay, imagine you've got $1,000. A broker says, "Don't worry, I'll lend you 20 times that amount." You can place bets as if you had 20,000. Well, if the asset you bet on goes up 1%, your $20,000 position grows by $200. That's a 20% profit on your $1,000 instantly. Feels incredible. But if it goes down 1%, you lose $200. That's 20% gone. If it falls 5%, your entire $1,000 is wiped out. Zero. That's how CFDs or contracts for difference work. You never actually own the stock or the currency.